We're in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida.
And there's no need for a shower in the Florida sun.
My favorite thing about the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show has been the AC inside of there.
And something I love about this boat show is all the interaction and different people we have met.
The greatest thing about this Fort Lauderdale Boat Show is having been able to connect to so many people and showing this to everyone. We've actually toured maybe over 300 groups of people coming in and checking it out, and getting the feedback from the people has been absolutely overwhelming. They love it, and it's just exciting to be here.